everyone, welcome to my channel Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here again. I'm going to share with you. It is about grade 1 maths worksheet. Exams are coming, so I thought of sharing this worksheet with you. I'm going to solve this worksheet. You can go through this worksheet and you can take the practice of your kid through this worksheet. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a like to this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel Somna Kids World for more upcoming videos. Now let's start the video. So the first question is, arrange the number in ascending order. Ascending order means something from smaller to bigger number. So here I've given some ascending order, and kids, they need to find it out the smallest one. So how they will find the smaller one? So they have to write here tens and ones. Okay, tens and ones. So in tens place they have to see which one is the smaller one. Like here 2, after 2 which one is a smaller one? After 2 it's 5, then after 5 it's 6, after 6 it's 7, after 7 it's 8. So kids can write tens and ones in each digit and they can find it out which is the smaller one. So the first one is 25. After writing 25, tell the kid to just omit like this, so that it will easy for them that next time they are not going to take this digit again. So that they can go for the next digit. So 25 already I have written here. So after 2, which one is the next number is 5, or we can say this 50. So write here 50. After 50 it's 69. After 69 it's 75. After 75 it's 82. So this is what the arrange the number in ascending order from smaller to greater number. Like this, here also we have to see which is the smaller number. So you can see the smaller number here, one digit number is the smallest number. So write here first 8, then cut. Then after 8 it's number 15. After 15 it's number 22. After 22 it's number 66. After 66 it's number 95. So here also you can see in ascending order. Next question is, arrange the number in descending order. Descending order means something from bigger number to smaller number. So here we have kid needs to find it out which is the bigger number. Here also they can write tens and ones in each digit and tell them to find it out which is the greater one. They have to see in the tens place. Like the first one is, you can see here 9 is the bigger number, or you can say as 9 is the bigger number, so 95 is the greater number or the bigger number. Need to write here first, then make a cut or you can omit out like this. After 95 which number comes? It's 82. So like this 82 also you can omit and you can write here 82. After 82 it's number 56. After 56 it's number 22. After 22 it's number 10. So like this, from as descending means from bigger to smaller number. So like this they can solve the other question too. Next question is, match the following. So here this side I have written some numbers and they have to match it with the number names. Like 94. So here is 94. 35. 35. 68. So the number name of 68 is here. 21. Number name of 21 is here. 77. So this is 77. So this is all about numbers and number names. Next one is, compare the two numbers and put the correct sign. greater than, smaller than, and equal to. So here also you can tell them to write tens and ones in both sides, and they have to see the tens place which is the greater one. Like here tens place you can see it's a 3, and tens place here you can see it's number 8. So which is the greater one? 8. So which one is the greater number? 85. So give the symbol like this, 85. Next one you can see here. Here also you can put and write tens and ones. Here also you can write tens and ones. Now we have to see the tens place. Like tens place here you can see it's number 2. And here tens place you can see it's number 1. So which is the greater one? 2. So 22 is the greater one and 18 is the smaller one. Next one is 75, 29. So in tens place you can say it's 7 and here it is 2. So which is the greater one? 7 is the greater one. So 75 is the greater one and 29 is the smaller one. So give a sign like this. 52, 96. So in tens place you can say it's 5 and here you can see in tens place it's number 9. So which is the greater one? 5 or 9? It's number 9. So 96 is greater than. So here you can see 29, 29. Both sides are same. So here you have to give the equal to sign. So here also you can see it's number 10 and 10. So both sides are equal. So you have to give equal sign. Next one, circle the largest number in each group. So here they have to see and they have to find it out the largest number like 82, 75, 15. So which is after 15, 16, 17 like this you can say, you can tell them to count and they will find it out which is the largest one like 82, 10, 12, 14. So 14 is the largest one. 7, 18, 55. You can say already this is a single digit means smaller one and after that you can say 18. So 55 is the largest number. So like this they can solve the largest number, find it out for the largest number. Next one is circle the smallest number in each group. So here they have to find it out the smallest number. So which is the smallest number here? Out of these three, 6 is the smallest number. So next one is from this 22, 82, 75. So out of 3, which is the smallest one? 22. 15, 28, 34. So which is the smallest one? 15. Next one is color the correct number names. So here I have written this number names here and they have to read and they have to color or they can give a tick which is the correct number name. Like this is 85. So they have to circle this 85 number. 64. So where is 64? Here is 64. The circle 64. Next one is 92. So circle 92. 32. So where is 32? Here is 32. Count forwards and write the missing numbers. So they have to count forward and they have to write the missing number. Like 21. After 21 they have to keep on counting forward number. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Like this they have to count the numbers in forward. They have to count in forward numbers. Next one is count backwards and write the missing numbers. Here they have to count in backwards. 50. So before 50, 49, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. So here question number 10 is write the number that comes just before 5. So which number comes before 5? So here one trick is there. You can tell the children to count till number 5 like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you have given the question that which number comes before 5, so you can tell them, you can count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 before number is 4. So like this they can count and they can write here. Write the number that comes just after 2. So it is very easy. Kids can write easily after 2. After 2 it's number 3. Write the number that comes between 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 between number is 8. This is what about before after number. Next one is addition. So here I have given addition without regrouping, or we can say without taking carry forward. Without carry forward, I have given the addition here. So 7 plus 1. So how to add this single digit addition? Already it is there in my channel. You can go through that video. I have already shared it in my description box. So here, so single digit addition, how they can make? So first they have to make 7 balls here, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here plus 1 means 1 ball. Then after that they have to count total how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8. Like this, 3 plus 6. So first they have to make 3 balls. Then after that they have to make 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now they have to count total how many balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Like this they can do other addition too. Next one is add using the number line. Add using the number line. Now they have to add it with the help of the number line. So the question is 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 means the first 3, from where they have to jump from 0 till 3, they have to directly jump till number 3. Plus 3, next 3 they have to jump 3 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. So the answer is 6. So 3 plus 3, answer is 6. Next here, 7 plus 1. So from 0 directly they have to jump till 7. From here they have to jump till 7. Next, how many jumps? They have to do only one time. From 7 only one time. So the answer is 8. 7 plus 1, 8. So this is all about worksheet about grade 1 class part 1 worksheet. About part 2 worksheet, I am going to share it in my next video. So if you find this video helpful, please share it with the needed ones. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel for more educational videos. Thank you for watching.